Hi, sweetheart. It's me, Hardrock here. Welcome back to Game Reactions. As you can see, I'm reacting to the famous films once again. Well, aka Brian. And if those who are unaware, I'm sorry I've been not recording schedules lately. I'm not keeping up my time schedule. And yes, I do have a recording schedule. I record on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, but I've been busy lately, like I said before in the last couple videos. Working on I have a job now, like I said before, trying to keep up. Like, I have a official job getting paid. Also, and for some vacation coming up, and I'm really excited, but it's good. And it doesn't mean I'm not gonna record videos at the time and stuff, so don't worry. So please don't unsubscribe. Without further delay, let's get started.
Watching my channel, make sure to subscribe, click on the bell, leave a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. Enjoy the video! So Harper, do you usually almost try to shoot people in the face?
Not on purpose, I swear.
Look at the scenery, it's looking great. Who are you? Harper, is he a part of, Millstone?
I've never seen him before.
Okay, who are you?
Look, let's talk about this, fellas, okay?
Where did you come from?
Hey, whoa!
Are you on Cats?
Hey. Wait, let's put down the gun.
Harper, do you know these people too?
No, I've never seen them either.
What about you, Mystery Man? Do you know them?
Okay, look, I've got a flag.
Ah!
Wait, a bear gun? What?
Alright, you guys watch out.
Are you with Mr. Bandana guy over here?
Hey, no, I don't. I do not affiliate with people with bandanas. No, that's.
Wow.
Ooh, burn.
What's wrong with the bandana?
What's wrong with the bandana?
With copyrighted hats.
Ooh, burn.
Anyways, how did you guys even get in? The security's amazing here. How did you get in?
We just walked in.
What? Yeah, just the door was kind of open.
Those
Yeah,
no doors
yes.
open here.
Oh.
Wait, Justin, what are you doing here?
Justin, did you leave the door open?
I didn't leave anything open, actually.
Okay.
Wait, who am I? Harper, do I point at you? I'm so confused.
Why are you pointing the gun at me?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We're just out scavenging for supplies, and we just found this place. We're not here to rob you or anything. I don't know any of you guys. I was just neighborhood. Okay, I'll be the first person to put the gun down.
Okay, I'll put mine down as courtesy.
Oh, nice little shit.
Huh?
Excuse me. I see you sneaking over there.
Abby, come on.
Take a chill there.
See, isn't that much better now?
This guy's committed to start to do it.
I can hear you, you know.
So yeah, we're just kind of out here looking for supplies. Do you guys wouldn't happen to have any extras? Any extra stuff we could use?
Well, we could give you some, or with maybe doing something.
Well,
I
what is
think
that?
Justin has it in
Something?
mind. I can already see it in his eyes. Oh, I've got it already set up. Wait, you know, you're real creepy, huh? That was fast.
Really?
What did you have in
That
mind,
really
Justin?
is fast.
A little game I used to play as a child. Hide and seek. I mean, I love hide and seek.
I'm more of a rock paper scissors kind of guy.
No. Not today, you are.
Wait, what?
Okay,
What's
well,
the sword?
I'll be it then.
What? Whoa!
So you better
Oh
hide.
my god, the walker there.
Better start counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I don't know.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, for us to count. 25, 26,
Pretty good.
27,
I'm not gonna press my space here.
28,
Yeah. You're kind of my
9, and 30! I'm coming to find you! Now, where could you guys have gone?
counts really high.
I don't know, Brian.
why don't you come find us?
I will. Is anybody home?
No.
I think
Superman no home.
I think proper
Wait, what?
instructions are
Hi guys!
Oh, I got a ear.
Well, that was easy.
Love the heroes.
Oh yeah, we didn't even introduce ourselves. My name is Brian.
Hey, I'm Bowie. I'm the guy you just killed.
Oh, and who was the
I'm
girl that I just
Katie.
killed?
I'm Katie.
So are you guys trying to survive the zombie apocalypse too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're still alive, so I think we're doing pretty well.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
They
Yeah,
don't
I got
seem
ourselves a little
skinny.
base.
I think I know where Abby is.
I'm here on my own.
Abby.
It's kind of bad to be out on your own here, man.
I survived this long. I know I'm gonna be hiding.
Aw, that's you knew where she was, you cheater. You
I always-
saw her hide.
I actually. Hey, it's not cheating if I
It's
Is someone in the treehouse?
This kind of is cheating. I can agree.
Yeah, that's the treehouse.
By the way, my name's Harper. Hi, Harper.
I'm gonna kill you.
You already.
We only just met.
I know, but this is part of the game, I think.
What's with doing that flirt on?
Where could you guys have gone? I can't jump that. If I were you guys, where would I hide? Are you sure
It's so
about that? I mean,
cute.
this is our turn.
I really like this. It's amazing. I would like this.
Ooh, what's this?
It's cool.
Oh, thanks.
I spy something blue.
Ooh, oh,
Not
wait.
me.
No, I got Katie already.
This is funny
Maybe
part.
someone's in here.
This is funny part. I'm sorry. I can't. This is too funny for me. And sorry, I'm getting a little bit distracted because I'm multitasking at the same time when I'm doing this. Let's continue.
Ooh.
I'm also still hiding, Brian. So.
You can hear him, fellas.
Oh, am I close?
Necessary.
Oh, okay. I can't take this anymore. But, oh, I didn't know it was that long ago. I forgot. But for you guys, that's all the time we have. See you next time. Hard drop. Bye bye.